Group A, roll out.
So we're at the Tour de Mount Vernon. It's a community bike ride. This is our 4th annual Tour de Mount Vernon. We have about 150 to 200 bike riders here today to frankly enjoy and tour the southern part of Mount Vernon District in Fairfax County. We've got some wonderful sites that they'll be going to, from the Workhouse Arts Center, which is where we are right now, to Nova Parks along the Occoquan River, to Gunston Hall, and touring Fort Belvoir. We have some of the best biking trails in the country. In fact, the top 100 mountain biking trails are right next to the Workhouse Arts Center. We have a number of other bike lanes and trails that we're building. Bikes are becoming a key part of our transportation system, and it's a good way to emphasize that and have people share that. Today's event is to really find a way to bring people out of their homes into the community and see really all the wonderful things around them. So much of our time we spend inside or we watch television, but we're not really connected to the world around us. And this ride gets you outdoors, exercising, which is very important to our long-term health, and it's really a good way just to connect and enjoy and socialize and have some fun, and at the end of the ride get a great big bowl of chili that's about as tasty as you can get.